To download and install the Canon imageRUNNER 200220 to driver on Windows, follow the steps below. Open Google Chrome and in the search bar, type Canon imageRUNNER 2002 or Canon imageRUNNER 2202 and hit enter. From the list of search results, go to the Canon official website. On the product page, click on the Drivers tab. Select your operating system version, example, Windows 10, Windows 8.1 or Windows 7 from the drop-down menu. Scroll down and find the driver section. Click on the Select button next to the driver you want to download. Click on the Download button. The driver will start downloading. Save the file to a location on your computer. Once the download is complete, click on it to begin the installation. Follow the on-screen instructions and prompts to complete the installation process. The driver installation should automatically recognize the connected printer and complete the setup. You can now use your Canon imageRUNNER 200220 printer on your Windows computer.